Want this?
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
I am going to use two videos because I want to create both starting and ending.
Come and fly away with me.
Open Premiere Pro.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Create a new project.
Don't you be afraid, everything will change you and then jumping off the edge.
Import your video
Come and fly
and drag both videos to timeline. And if it has audio, then unlink it and delete it. And adjust it to however you like it. And now let's create fade in and out animation. Go to beginning of your clip. Go to Effect Control N, then Opacity. Add an keyframe at the beginning of your clip, and then go few frames ahead, and another keyframe and make the first keyframe opacity 0. Do the same at the end, but the opposite. And now add text. You can write anything you want.
somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water
And make the
meet.
anchor point in the middle.
Somewhere close to harmony,
And change the font to impact.
Something's gonna
And go to Effects and search Track Matte Key.
journeys we are meant
And drag it to your clip. And now wherever is your text layer, choose that in matte. Mine is V2. Make it larger.
Everything will change you and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making.
And make the text length also larger. Add a keyframe in scale at the beginning of the text. Go few frames ahead and add another keyframe. Come back to first keyframe and make it 50. And go some frames ahead. And add keyframe. And go some more frames ahead and add another keyframe. And now make it so larger that we can't see the background. If you want to make it larger fast, then hold Shift. Adjust to your screen. If you did it right, then results will be this.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to
Select your
take.
keyframes and make it
Something
ease
at
in.
the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
Much better. Now let's do the same, but the opposite at the end. Add your text. Make it larger. Like before, make the anchor point at the middle.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away.
Add same effect to second clip.
Come and fly away with me.
And like before, select V2 in matte. And now add keyframe in scale at the beginning of text. And add another keyframe at the end of text. Go to the first keyframe and make it larger like before, so we can't see black spots. Select both keyframes with Control and make it ease in. Now it needs some sound. Go to Project and add your sound. Double-click it to open it in Source Panel, and drag this sound waves icon to your timeline. Adjust as you like. Let's see the preview.
Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet. Somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space.
Now there are two problems. First, sound goes directly off. Second, at the end of our text doesn't stay and goes directly. Let's fix first one. Click on your audio and go to the end, but few frames back. And add keyframe at the level. And now go to the complete end and add keyframe. And in the end keyframe, make the dB negative. Now it won't go directly, but our end text still goes directly. Now let's fix the second one. Make the timeline larger and move your last text back. This much will be okay. And now make your text length larger to match it with our video. This will automatically solve our problem. And now let's see the preview. And don't care about these lines, they are just in preview. So this was all, guys. If you get any problems, then just comment it. I will try to solve it, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.